Step 1, type this on the screen, aejuice.com. And once this has been opened up and loaded, go to here where it says on the top right screen, free plugins. Now when you're on this page, if you have Windows, click download for Windows, or for Mac, click download. Now you have to input your email in order to download, and then now click download. And now you should be onto this screen. As you can see, if you have already downloaded aejuice, you can always click download installer again. Then it will download it. Once it has been downloaded, you can double tap or click here, and then you have the application like so. Double tap on this, go to your downloads page, right click and click extract here. And now we have a screen if you'd like to accept and install. Wait for aejuice to download. Once it's complete, click finish. If you go under your search bar and type in aejuice Pack Manager Standalone, click this, open up Adobe Premiere Pro CC, and you're going to be getting this here screen, the software you would like to use. In this case, we're going to click Adobe Premiere Pro. We have the starter pack, so we'll click this to download. And now we have other packs as we can see here as well. Double tap and import our first elements on the screen, and it has been downloaded.